Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to make a video loop on your iPhone. Looping a video allows it to play continuously without you having to manually restart it each time. To get started, open the Photos app on your iPhone and locate the video that you want to loop. Once you've found the video, tap on Select and choose the video. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Slideshow. Your video will begin playing as part of a slideshow. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. While the slideshow is playing, tap anywhere on the screen to reveal the controls. Next, tap on Options in the top right corner and here, you can customize how the slideshow plays. If you don't want background music, you can turn the music option off. Now, look for the loop option and turn it on. Once loop is enabled, tap Done to save the changes. Your video will now continue playing in a loop. When it reaches the end, it will automatically start again from the beginning. This method is useful if you want to display a video continuously during a presentation, event, party, or simply for personal viewing. If you'd like to save a looping version of the video, you can start a screen recording while the video is looping and save the recorded result to your Photos app. That's it. You have successfully learned how to make a video loop on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.